I'm Alan. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Baoli KBE25 electric counterbalance forklift. Let's get into it. This tough and efficient counterbalance electric forklift is available in two capacities, 2 tonnes and 2.5 tonnes. It has an Italian AC motor and technology, as well as a 48-volt traction battery power source. The KBE25 has variable drive speeds, comes with power steering, electronic driving direction control and a digital display. An integral side shift and a container entry mast with a 4.5 metre maximum lift height comes as standard, and it's handy to note that there are variable lift height configurations available. The 3-stage mast has the ability to raise, lower and tilt. There's also additional hydraulics for extra attachments. Standard safety features on the KBE25 include a reverse beeper, LED lights, regenerative braking, a flashing beacon, emergency stop button and a seatbelt interlock system, as well as curve assist, which regulates the speed of the truck to reduce the risk of it tipping when cornering. The KBE25 is designed with the operator in mind, including a fully suspended, ergonomically designed and spacious cabin with comfortable footwell and adjustable seat, an adjustable steering column and a compact steering wheel that requires only 4 to 5 turns to reach full lock. The KBE25 is a tough, energy-efficient forklift that has low maintenance requirements and the optimum balance of energy consumption. And thanks to its smart design, you can be sure this reliable and affordable forklift will perform safely at all times.